It's the age-old social media question, when, Chris, is the best time to post? Well, in today's Revox resource, we are going to show you how you can determine the optimal times to be posting to your social media channels. You ready? Let's do it. It's another very common question we get, understanding when is the best time to post to social media. Whether it's your Facebook page, your Instagram account, or your YouTube channel, oftentimes people wonder, is there a sweet spot to post to social? The short answer is, it depends. Now today I want to give you 3 ways that you can determine the optimal times to post to your social media channels. Now, as you can imagine, the answer to this question varies based on a few things. Let's talk about those 3 factors today. The first factor in determining the best time to post to social media would be to understand your audience. Now, as part of developing a social media strategy, you have already identified who your target audience is. I want you to think about that person, give them a name, give them a marital status, give them a job. Think about how they more than likely use social media. So if you were targeting someone like myself, a 35-year-old man with a job and a family, what times of the day might I be using social media? Would it be in the morning as I get to work and check in for the day? Or maybe it's in the evening after I've eaten dinner with my family and putting my children to bed. Those things matter because those are your people that are checking social media at certain times of the day. And if you're trying to reach them very specifically, you want to shape your social media posting schedule around those behaviors. Understand your audience. The second way to understand better when you should be posting to social media is to analyze your insights. Most social platforms have a great, expansive tool of analytics and insights. Dive into these regularly and understand more about your audience's online behavior. Now, as previously mentioned, you want to think about when your audience is online, but your insights and your analytics can actually show you those times of the day. So take a moment to check those out, not only to understand when they're spending time scrolling their feeds, but even more importantly, what time of the day and what types of posts are they interacting and engaging with the most that you're sharing. So take some time to analyze your insights. The third way to determine the best time to be posting to your social media channels is to implement some A/B testing. Perhaps you want to know if your audience is checking your posts early in the morning, or are they more likely to interact and engage with your posts later in the evening? Try both, right? One Monday morning, post something at 6 a.m. The following Monday, post it at 6 p.m. Match those up against one another and determine which post seems to be getting more interaction. This will help you determine moving forward when are the optimal times on a Monday, for example, that you should be sharing content. Now again, if you post multiple times a day, try multiple variances: morning, evening, midday, late evening. Always implement A/B testing when trying to determine the ideal times to be posting to your social media channels. Understanding your audience, analyzing your insights, and implementing A/B testing are 3 certain ways that you can help shape your social media posting schedule and better understand the best time of the day to be sharing content across social media. If you need help establishing a strategy or even shaping a social media schedule like we talked about today and understanding the best times that you should be posting, please feel free to reach out to us at revoxsocial.com.